Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at interactive brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Interactive Brokers is a leading online Forex brokerage that was founded in 1978, and they offer premium financial services, professional trading tools, and a variety of instruments across more than 130 markets. You can rest assured that your funds are in good hands with Interactive Brokers, as they are regulated by the USSEC, the CFTC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and has been in the financial and trading industries for many decades. Interactive Brokers offers proprietary trading platforms for desktop, mobile, and API trading, as well as a variety of financial services such as cash management, advisory services, special marketplaces for investors, portfolio analysts, and much more to improve your trading experience and maximize your earning potential. This is a beginner-friendly broker that guarantees low trading costs and transparency, and there are over 7,000 CFD products and more than 100 Forex pairs that you can trade with them. If you are considering trading for the first time, there is a wide variety of educational content provided through the Traders Academy and StudentTradingLab that can be used with a demo account to practice on and for testing new strategies. Interactive Brokers does not require a minimum deposit for your live trading account to be activated, but once you are ready to make your first deposit, you can fund your account using 23 currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, the Great British Pound, and the South African Rand. The Interactive Brokers website is simplistic and user-friendly. They have displayed only the most important features about their platforms, awards, and trading conditions on the homepage. If you would like to know more about their account types and trading instruments, simply click on the Trading tab on the homepage and select an option from the drop-down menu. You can also find more detailed information about their regulations and policies by scrolling to the very bottom of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Interactive Brokers, simply click on the Trading tab and select the Products option. You can trade Forex pairs, CFDs, stocks, options, bonds, mutual funds, commodities, metals, and more with Interactive Brokers. The broker offers more than 100 spot currencies with tight spreads. There are 4 types of platforms that you can use when trading with Interactive Brokers. The first platform is the Interactive Brokers Client Portal, which is a web application that can be used to check detailed quotes and place trades, manage accounts, and view key performance metrics for your trading portfolio and activity. It can also be used to make deposits and withdrawals, and comes with advanced charting tools, customizable charts, and technical indicators. In addition to being an all-in-one web application with plenty of nifty tools and a streamlined user interface, you can also use the client portal for your weekly news updates and daily market analysis insights. The second platform is the proprietary Interactive Brokers trading platform, known as Trader Workstation. The software is downloadable, and you can try different demo versions of this application, depending on the type of account you would like to try. This market maker platform is designed for active traders and professional investors who need a platform that is optimized for multi-asset trading. With the Trader Workstation, you will have access to a variety of research, news, and market data. You will be able to monitor price movements and charts in real time. You can use multiple advanced order types and algorithmic trading, and will be provided with innovative tools such as the IB Risk Navigator to manage your trading risks. You will also have the option of paper trading, so that you can test strategies and try new features and different order types without the risks of losing your money. If you have a busy lifestyle and you prefer mobile trading, Interactive Brokers also provides a mobile trading application that can be used to access more than 135 global markets. You will also be able to use advanced order types and most of the trading tools and features that come with the Trader Workstation platform. This application is designed to make account management easy, and you will have access to special tools such as the option spread grid and the order entry wheel. You can download the Interactive Brokers mobile application from the App Store, Google Play and Amazon apps. Lastly, Interactive Brokers is an exceptional option for traders who want to build custom trading applications and automate part of their trading process. The Interactive Brokers API solutions can be used to develop commercial trading software, and your trades can be further optimized using IB Smart Routing, which searches for the best prices available at the time of your order, so that orders can be executed immediately. You can also use the REST API to trade, monitor and manage your IBKR account. Or perhaps you would like to automate your trading strategies, request market data, and monitor your account balance and portfolio in real time with the Trader Workstation API. Interactive Brokers also provides Fix API to create high-speed trading systems, which is a popular option for institutions and large-scale investors. Interactive Brokers offers individual, joint, trust, IRA, and UGMA or UTMA accounts, as well as a free trial account for you to try first. There are also two types of plans that are designed for retail clients and high-volume traders, so we recommend choosing a plan before choosing an account type so that your trading conditions are aligned with your trading goals. IBKR Lite is a commission-free plan designed for retail traders, and there are no minimum deposit requirements and no inactivity fees. The IBKR Pro plan is designed for professional investors and active traders who trade in high volumes. Clients who use this plan have access to the IB Smart Routing SM system, as well as premium tools and features that are optimized for executing trading strategies. Margin rates start as low as 0.75%, and the Interactive Brokers Stock Yield Enhancement Program lets you earn extra income on the fully paid shares of stock held in your account. Interactive Brokers is not only a broker, but also a financial services provider, so the application process may take a bit longer, but once you've completed the online registration, you'll be trading in no time. In order to create an individual account, you will need your social security number or proof of identity if you are not a US citizen. You will also need your employer name, address and phone number, and your bank or third-party broker account numbers for funding purposes, plus routing number for check deposits. Firstly, launch the Interactive Brokers homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Read the guidelines for choosing the right account type, and once you've decided what account you would like, click on the Open Account button again, and then click on Start Application. Enter your email address and username, and choose a strong password for your account. You will then need to complete the online application form and submit your documents. Once your account is opened and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account has been opened and verified, you will be redirected to the Interactive Brokers client portal. Next, what you'll want to do is choose and download your preferred platform, or simply click on Trade in the client portal. We decided to go with the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. And as easy as that, we're in. This is Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your watch list, where you can add your favorite markets. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your buy and sell order entry window. And in the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. If you would like to learn more about the Interactive Brokers proprietary trading platform, you can head over to their educational area, which provides a variety of beginner courses that delves into everything that you need to get started. If you are considering trading for the first time, you can use the educational content on the website to learn how to trade. Simply open the homepage and click on the Education tab. From the drop-down list, you will be able to choose from webinars, podcasts, videos, blogs, and more. Interactive Brokers provides a trading campus, a traders academy, and a student trading lab, making this the perfect broker for beginners, because not only is there no minimum deposit requirement and the option to practice on demo accounts, but this broker provides more educational resources than any other broker on the market. Interactive Brokers has claimed many awards over the years, and 2022 has already been a great year for them, as they have already been awarded for the Best Broker for International Trading, the Best Online Broker for Advanced Traders, the #1 broker for professional tools, #1 for futures trading, #1 for offering investments. 5 out of 5 stars overall, the Best Online Broker of 2022, the Best Broker for Investing of 2022, and many, many more. Overall, if you are interested in opening trust or joint accounts, or saving towards your retirement, or if you simply want to trade and invest, we recommend opening an account with Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers strikes the perfect balance between providing premium financial services and institutional-grade accounts, with professional platforms and advanced trading tools, as well as being a broker that beginners can trust and rely on for support and guidance. This broker offers something for every type of trader. Whether you've never traded before and you're looking for top-quality educational resources and multi-feature demo accounts, or simply if you've been trading for many years and you would like to take your trading to the next level with APIs and algorithmic trading, Interactive Brokers has everything that you need. And that is our overview of Interactive Brokers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.